Once you've got Blender 4.5 LTS installed, the next step will be to install the IMVU Toolkit or IMVU Toolkit. So for that, in your browser, type create.imvu.com. That will bring up the Creator homepage or the Creator Education homepage. And on this page, scroll down and look for IMVU Studio Toolkit. Click on the button. That will take us to the IMVU Studio Toolkit downloads page, and here we want to scroll down until we get to the Blender section. Just click on the link and download. This will download the file. We need to make a note of where that's been downloaded to. In this case, that's the Downloads folder in the Finder. Once we've got that in Blender, we want to go into Edit, Preferences. So Edit Preferences, and then click on Add-ons. And then on the More Options button, that's the little down arrow, then Install from Disk. Click on that. Browse to the location where the file was saved, the toolkit was saved, so that's Downloads, double click, there it is. Highlight, Install from Disk, select the PY, Install from Disk. Now this will install the PY script, but if we use the toolkit now, we'll get an error message. So what we need to do, so let's just try that, close that, sidebar. The toolkit is installed and the tools are available, but if we click on one of the tools to activate or put it into the scene, we'll get an error message. It can't find Megascene. So what we need to do here to fix that is in Finder, find the zip file, copy, and we need to install this into the local scripts folder of Blender. And that is, we can check this, Edit, Preferences, IMVU. This is the scripts folder, so that's the location. So in this case, it's CatSbits, Library, Application Support, Blender 4.5, Scripts, Add-ons. So if we look for that file path in Finder, CatSbits, Library, Application Support, Blender 4.5, Scripts, Add-ons. There's the PY we installed, so all we need to do is drop a copy of the zip file in here, which contains the contents that the script is referencing. So now we should be able to load the tool. There it is, ready for use.